let's set up a computer. To experience the full capabilities of ImmyBot, we recommend using a physical computer for your first setup. Step 1, unbox and power on your new computer. Step 2 is to simply insert your USB flash drive when you reach the Windows setup screen. Hey, can we cut? USB's not, it's not going in. Is it the other way?
That's the other way.
Is it the other way? This way, right?
Yeah.
Tummy down?
It's tummy up.
Tummy up? But he's saying it's tummy down.
Tummy up.
It's tummy up? Okay, well, this usually doesn't happen.
Can we quit changing the props?
We did it! We did it! Cool. All right. Got it. The computer will automatically detect the ImmyBot provisioning package. Now, all you have to do is follow any on-screen prompts to apply the package. Once the provisioning package is applied, the new computer will connect to ImmyBot and appear in the new computer section. At this point, we've connected our new computer to ImmyBot. Next up, we need to identify the computer in ImmyBot to begin the onboarding process. Under New Computers, find the computer we just connected in the list. Good news, if this is your first setup, the list should be short. Click on the computer to begin the onboarding process. We're well on our way to setting up our first computer. In the next video, we'll add tenants and assign a primary user to the computer. We'll see you there.